All of a sudden 12 alien ships appeared around the world. These massive objects just floated silently in the sky. But the strange thing was that after they arrived, they made no movement at all. Governments everywhere prepared for war. They marked a 100-meter zone around each ship as a quarantine area, and they built temporary bases inside the quarantine zones. After careful observation, the governments found that the bottom of the ships opened a passage every 18 hours. It was as if they were inviting humans to enter. After discussion, the governments decided to send in a team of experts from different fields to learn why the aliens had come to Earth. As the linguist on the team, Louise felt both nervous and excited about talking with aliens for the first time. Soon the team wearing protective suits reached the bottom of the ship. The military lifted them up with a crane. Above their heads was the open passage of the ship. The group slowly rose into the ship with the crane. At a certain height, the military threw down a glow stick. The next second, the glow stick landed straight on the vertical wall of the passage. The military explained it was because gravity inside the ship was different from Earth. Then they made a light jump upward and stood steadily on the passage. The others quickly followed and jumped up as well. The group reached the end of the passage. There was a white screen of light. The military began to set up observation devices. They also released a small bird. The bird kept hopping around. That proved the area had oxygen. Louise asked the military officers where the aliens were, but then she saw the officers staring seriously at the light screen. Louise quickly turned her head too. She saw two shadows behind the screen that looked like giant octopuses. They were the aliens inside the ship. Louise was startled, but she still gathered her courage to try and communicate with them. Soon the first conversation between humans and aliens ended. All they had were a few alien sounds. Meanwhile, people on Earth believed the arrival of the ships meant the world was ending. So people started looting stores and causing riots everywhere. Louise knew she had to succeed in talking with the aliens as soon as possible, but she had no idea what they were saying. Just when Louise was troubled by this, she noticed the board in front of her and got an idea. She remembered how parents taught babies to read words. So the second time the team entered the ship, Louise brought a small chalkboard with her. She wrote a human word on it. Then she pointed at herself. But to her surprise, the aliens vanished as soon as they saw the word on the board.